are we today, brother?
At this water park.
We're at Ocean City Water Park, New Jersey. Wait till you see this one, dude. Stay tuned. Check it out, dudes. This is where we're going today. This is Ocean City Water Park. It's in New Jersey. Right on the literal boardwalk. So this is going to be sick. Wait till you stay with me. That looks pretty high up there, Pete. City Water Park. So I'm going to walk up here and we're going to check this out real quick.
Yeah, and we got the GoPro.
You got the GoPro? All right, yeah, we'll switch to that in a minute, but let's just check this out. What? All right, switch GoPro now, dudes. Let's see it. Go ahead, Pete. Take him for a ride, bro. Oh, dude, check him out. There's little Pete. He's going up. It's a pirate ship. It's called like Little Buckaroos or something like that. Oh, here he comes. Hey, what's up? That was sick. How was it? All right, dude. You good? You ready? Go ahead.
Whoa! Whoa! I've been Lady River.
Yeah, so check it out, dude. They got Serpentine's Lazy River, Sky Pond Journey, and Splashdown. I don't know what one we're gonna do first, but let's see what's out here. Come on. All right, dude. So now we're the Lazy River. There's Pete. What are we doing, bud? Look at this waterfall. What are you gonna do? Go in there? Go. I'll put you in. Go, 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 go. Get in there. Oh, you're splashed. What are you doing, bud? Look at this. They need a paint job in here. My goodness. Can't say that I like it more than Seaside, but it's still pretty cool. Bye, bud. Dude, you getting set, brother? Roger. Oh, no. Oh, man, that's crazy. You good? Pete wants to get out of the Lazy River, but one more time.
Hey, guys.
Show me a go. Good job, bro. Alright, we're gonna do the Serpentine. We're going up, bud. Single rider only, so you're going by yourself. No swimming, boy.
Yeah.
So let's walk up these steps. Check it out, dude. You can see the entire boardwalk. Yep, that's the boardwalk. That's the ocean right there. And there's the rides we were on last night, all the way over there. Alright, you ready? Keep going. Check out the view from up here, dude. This is the entire ocean. There's people parasailing out there. So cool, right, dude? You can see down here, that's the little pirate ship thing that kids can play on. Here's the slide. We're doing this big slide, the tallest one here. I'll show you in a minute. Alright, dude, so check this out. This one's called Splashdown. It just shoots you down, you drop down into a little pool. We're gonna do it. Alright, dudes, check this out. Here's the drop. Oh, you gotta inch your way forward. Here we go. Oh, no, this is a huge drop. He's doing yellow. Here he is. Come on, dude. Oh man, he's gonna be shocked when he hits this. Help! You did good! You good? It was crazy? Come on. You okay? Good job. I'm not gonna lie, that was a little crazy. Ow! It was fun though, right? You good? There's little Pete. See him up there? He's about to come down this slide here. It's a little kid slide. That's so cool. Any day now. There you go. Oh, what's up, brother? You went down head first? That's crazy. You good? Back here is a little buck. I guess it's called the Little Buck Water Park because it's a little buccaneer, right, bud? Oh, you good? Come on. You gotta go over there. You good? You alright? You got taken out. There we go. Alright, good, that's good. What's up? What's up? Where do you want me to go? You want me to go up there? Alright, looks like I'm going up with a little buccaneer. Oh, God. Excuse me. Oh, wow, we didn't go up here yet. This is crazy. Look, it's like a pirate ship. They got cannons and everything. Cool. I can't go on that. I'm too big. I'll get stuck in there. I don't really. I'll get stuck in this thing.
I know you won't.
I'm not going in there. You're crazy. You go. You go. Here, take it.
Oh, it's a GoPro. Wait, what? It's a GoPro.
I don't know. I'd be scared to go down it.
No. Why are you?
You want me to put my big butt in there? I'm not doing that. You crazy, man. You crazy. What are you doing, dude? What are you doing in the water, you little fish? You a fish? Guys, thank you so much for watching. That about wraps up our time here at Ocean Water Park. If you haven't already, make sure you press that subscribe button. We love making